Let's get you some big breaking news coming in right now. A special court will be set up at Delhi's Patiala court for the trial of the Italian Marines. And in fact, Rhythm is with us getting us this big news right now. Rhythm, this is entirely what the Supreme Court had been directing the centre to do.
That's right. In fact, we heard that the central government had moved the Delhi High Court on Saturday. They had expected that the special court would be set up. Remember, it's a huge matter. The Italian Marines already they've already told the Supreme Court that we will be submitting to a jurisdiction by coming back. What's now happened is immediate steps have been taken by the central government to ensure that the special court is set up. The news that's coming in is it's the Patiala House Court, CMM, that's the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Amit Bansal, who will be looking into the matter. But Deepti, we have to give a word of caution right now. This matter has not been given notification yet. We are expecting the central government to take this up. Once the Supreme Court has made sure of these developments on the 2nd of April, that particular notification will come out and the special court will be in action. But yes, it has to be mentioned that very soon the steps have been taken. It is only 2 months back on the 18th of Jan that the central government had been told by the Supreme Court to set up the special court. Delhi High Court made abreast of the matter and they immediately notified and said it's the Patiala House Court, CMM Amit Bansal, who will be looking into the matter.
Right, and Rhythm, in fact, this comes in the wake of the entire controversy where the Italian Marines refused to return, and there were a lot of questions being put even on the centre government on being slow with the entire case.
That's absolutely right. In fact, Deepti, we have to remember we were in the middle even feeling that the Supreme Court directions would be violated, but clearly diplomacy at work between the Indian and the Italian government because the Marines are back in India. There was a huge controversy, we all remember, on the 22nd of February when the Supreme Court gave judgments and they had said that they will be allowed to leave the country. Everybody feared they would not be coming back, but clearly that standoff between Italy and India had been solved by the Ministry of External Affairs. Now the clear question is going to be, if the special court is set up soon, how soon will the Marines be tried? Whether the issue of jurisdiction will once again be raised, whether they'll get to what they've been waiting for, a judgment, so that they can know whether in this case they'll be acquitted or convicted. Very crucial for the Italian Marines because one of the things they were fearing was the special court would be taking up time to be, constituted. But very clearly, directions being passed by the Delhi High Court, immediately the special court probably to be set up in the Patiala House Court, Chief Metropolitan Magistrate.